Buddhism for Beginners. Questions and Answers. Live an awakened life. Be kind to yourself. Attain full enlightenment. Benefit all living beings. Chapter 1. Understanding Buddhism. 1. Buddhism and the Buddha. Question 1. Buddhism is known as one of the three major religions in the world, together with Christianity and Islam. Is that correct? Generally speaking, yes. Specifically, Buddhism is the teachings given by Shakyamuni Buddha, based on his realistic understanding of life and the universe. The sutras were spoken by the Buddha himself, which differ from scriptures of other religions recorded by disciples according to instructions from God or other deities. Question 2. Is the Buddha a deity? The Buddha is not a deity. The Buddha is the awakened one, who has attained full enlightenment regarding the truth about life and the universe. Question 3. Who is greater, Buddha or God? According to the Dharma, teachings of Buddhism, all living beings have Buddha nature equal to that of the Buddha. God is one of those living beings, so the question of who is greater does not exist. Question 4. Are Shakyamuni Buddha and Tathagata Buddha, Rulai 4, in the classic Chinese novel Journey to the West, the same person? Tathagata and Buddha have the same meaning. For example, Shakyamuni Buddha can be called Shakyamuni Tathagata, and Amitabha Buddha can be called Amitabha Tathagata. Tathagata Buddha, however, is not correct. There is no such Buddha called Rulai. Question 5. I see. I thought Rulai 4, Shakyamuni Buddha and Amitabha Buddha were the same. Shakyamuni Buddha is the founder of Buddhism in our world. Amitabha Buddha presides over the western land of bliss. In numerous sutras, Shakyamuni Buddha urges us to recite the name of Amitabha Buddha. Question 6. Was Shakyamuni Buddha a real person in history? Yes. He is mentioned in history textbooks. Shakya means competence and benevolence, and Muni means serenity. Shakyamuni refers to a sage of the Sakya clan. Shakyamuni Buddha lived around the 6th century BCE, concurrent with the spring and autumn period in China, and was a contemporary of Confucius. He was crown prince of the Kapilavastu kingdom in ancient India. His name was Gautama Siddhartha. His father was called Suddhodana, his mother Maya. Queen Maya gave birth to Prince Siddhartha while taking a rest under a tree in Lumbini Grove. She died soon after giving birth. Prince Siddhartha was raised by his aunt, Princess Prajapati. Question 7. Did he succeed to the throne? No, he didn't. Since Prince Siddhartha was extremely wise and handsome, King Suddhodana expected him to be a Chakravartin, or ideal universal ruler, who would subdue all nations. But Prince Siddhartha was strongly touched by the phenomena he observed: birth, aging, sickness, and death, as well as the law of the jungle prevalent among living creatures. He meditated frequently and thought about taking monastic vows. Having discovered his son's intention, King Suttodana tried his best to stop him. He arranged for his son to marry Princess Yasodhara from a neighboring state. Yasodhara bore him a son named Rahula. But all this was in vain. Finally, Siddhartha slipped out of the royal palace in the still of the night and became a wandering mendicant seeking the truth.
南无阿弥陀佛 Buddha。
南无